Greetings, I am Dr. Parang Mehta, pediatrician. The coronavirus pandemic in our country is showing no signs of reducing, but the country has had to open up. Economic activity has started, workplaces are summoning their employees, and people will have to step out of the safety of their homes and venture outside. How can we keep ourselves safe in this situation? COVID-19 or the novel coronavirus is very dangerous. It is highly infectious, it can cause serious disease, even deaths. The safest place for us is still inside the walls of our home. But if you have to go out only when absolutely necessary and return as soon as your work is done. Get used to wearing a mask. Just as you pick up your keys and your phone when leaving the house, picking up a mask and wearing it should become a habit. If you wear a mask, you cannot infect others, others cannot infect you. If everyone were to wear a mask in public all the time, the transmission of this disease would almost stop. Another thing to carry with you is a small bottle of sanitizer. Use it frequently. Whenever you get the chance, wash your hands with soap and water. Avoid touching your face. In the course of your daily work, avoid meeting people in person. Friends, colleagues, business contacts, try and talk to them on the phone. If a personal meeting is unavoidable, keep it as short as possible. At your own workplace, avoid spending a lot of time in a sealed, air-conditioned room. If one employee or visitor is infected, many of the people inside the office will get infected. If you keep the windows open and allow good cross ventilation, any virus released will be diluted. The chances of infection are much less. If your work day is long, carry your lunch and water with you. You will be eating home food and you will not have to take the risk of going to a crowded restaurant. What about drugs? If you are already on some long-term drugs, continue them with the advice of your doctor. There are no drugs that specifically improve the immunity to coronavirus. Do not believe the tall claims made in advertisement. The measures for improving immunity have long been the same. Eat a good balanced diet, get enough sleep, exercise regularly, stay away from smoking, alcohol and drugs of addiction, have a regular lifestyle, reduce stress in your life. Do not try to stockpile coronavirus drugs. The drugs that are available currently are of dubious efficacy and are very expensive. Buying them, keeping them in your house till they expire is not good policy for yourself or for the community. Social distancing is still very important. If you go to a shop or a restaurant and you find social distancing is not being followed, leave that place for your own safety. The same applies to lifts. Most buildings are ensuring that only 2 or 3 people enter a lift at one time. But if you find that a lift is crowded, do not go inside. If possible, take the stairs. Keeping yourself safe, taking these precautions, avoiding dangerous situations should become a lifestyle. When you reach home from work, remove footwear and go to the bathroom. Go straight to the bathroom. Do not hug your children. Do not stop to talk to your husband or wife. Do not stop near other people, especially senior citizens. In the bathroom, put your clothes in a bucket of soapy water and have a bath. If you are infected with the novel coronavirus, it is inside your body and these measures do not help. If you are not infected, but you are carrying the virus on your shoes, your clothes, your hair, these measures will keep your family safe. Coronavirus can be deadly. It is very infectious, it is very serious. It is spreading uncontrollably. People who have to leave the home for work have the responsibility of keeping not only themselves but also their family members safe. These precautions seem like a lot of trouble, they seem very extreme and impractical, but they are necessary. Be careful, keep everyone safe.